Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set direct message notifications to silent on the X app. If you're tired of constant pings every time someone sends you a DM, or you simply want those alerts without the sound, this quick guide will help you set it up the right way. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your main settings. This is where all the control over your apps and notifications begins. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. From here, you'll be able to adjust settings for each one individually. Now find and tap on the X app. This will take you into the details and options specifically for X. Once you're in, you'll see a range of settings tied to the app, and what we're looking for today is how it handles notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. This is where you'll be able to fine-tune how you're alerted whenever activity happens inside the app. You'll notice that different types of notifications can be managed separately. The next step is to tap on Notification Categories. This is especially useful because the X app breaks down notifications into different sections, so you're not just stuck with a one-size-fits-all setting. From here, find the option that says Sending DM Messages. This is the specific category that controls the alerts you receive whenever someone sends you a direct message through the app. Finally, all you need to do is select Silent. By enabling this, you'll still see that new messages have arrived, but you won't hear the notification sound or vibration if that's how you prefer it. It's a great way to minimize distractions while still keeping track of your conversations. And that's it. You've now set your DM notifications on the X app to silent. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in keeping your phone quieter and your focus intact. If you found this guide helpful, remember to follow these steps whenever you want to quickly tweak your notification settings. Thanks for watching.